Alright guys, happy Tuesday. Remember today, if you weren't with us or you were, was my gifted study hall to you because a lot of you were still missing a lot of work, which was only 2 assignments from last week. So they need to be done or they are considered late. And we have a lot to move on to. We're already 2 days behind, so we are not spending any more class time with that. It is valuable. We've only got 30 minutes and we need to move on. So that being said, a quick review then of today. So if you log into your class, remember we're going to classwork, the virtual notebook. Remember that page 3 is going to be your digital library. So this is for the 7th grade, hence the 3 7th grade teachers here. And if you click on a book, the PDF comes up so you don't have to worry about overdrive or anything like that. We have 2 pages, so whatever you are looking for, type of book, we should have enough of a variety for you. So with that being said, what book will you be reading? So this needs to be completed. So your independent reading, I need the title and author. I need to know why you picked that book, at least 2 solid reasons in complete sentences. And then 3 other books, so title and author, that you would like to have on your to-read list and a sentence why for each of those. So this is so I can see what's coming, what you're looking for, what your interests are. It is very helpful. And don't forget, Membeam, you have to create an account. I will create a login link for you to make it easier. This is due this week. You need the hour in there, and then I get the reports on the weekend in order to grade it. So if you all have any questions, remember 1:30 to 2:30 is when you can log into the group Google Meet so I can help you out. Other than that, thank you for your hard work so far, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.